Hi, I'm Chris, and this is Go Small, Go Now Sailing. Join me while I take my boat, Compass Rose, of Bayfield 29, on a solo sailing adventure here in Nova Scotia, taking on the elements and checking out all the beauty this province has to offer. Hey guys, so today's day 3 of the project that we're working on today. It's Tom's WestSail 32. We're sanding the bottom, putting a new bottom coat on, as well as he had to do his cutless bearing at the same time. And the reason I didn't film day 1 or 2 is because we're on a really big time crunch here. We only have till tonight to get it done, and then he has to go back in the water. So this is what the bottom looks like after 2 days of solid painting. We found some issues that we weren't expecting, but we'll have to wait to fix them till next time. So we had to take this whole shaft out and get the cutless bearing in and out. It went in super easy, actually. He froze it and it just slid right on in. So with the sanding today, we're just fairing out the edges so that everything's nice and smooth. So before I wash it down and get it prepped for paint here, I just want to show you guys some of the surprises that we found and that you can find on some of these older boats. These guys here, these little blisters, there's a lot of little blisters down along the bottom here. There was a repair done to the keel and they didn't do it properly. So all the paint there is coming up. We're gonna hit it with some Interlux 333 just to clean up the final surface. Hosed it down already, so this will be the last step right before we get to paint. The hull's already cleaned and we washed it all down with the acetone, so it's all ready to paint. And Tom right now is just checking the line, making sure that we're not gonna be painting a new bottom line up or anything like that. So we got the second coat all done, and now we just went out and are hanging out. We picked up a mooring ball and we did some practice maneuvers on Seth and Jordan's boat. But now we're just going to hang out a little bit. A little bit of a mist going on, but still a good time. It was a very jam-packed weekend of work. Sorry I didn't get more of it on camera, but we were kind of not thinking we were going to be able to get it all done in time, so that was the priority.
Alright.
Hey guys, so this is everyone that we got out here. These are the crew that we usually hang out with. So we'll start with Tom.
Hi, how you doing guys? My name's Tom. I live here in beautiful Nova Scotia with these fine people. I think we're all boat people. Yeah, we are. Sorry if I ruined that for you guys. Okay.
Yeah, no,
My name's Sarah. I'm 28. I live on my boat. Yeah, too.
You know Sarah, are you crumbling?
Jordan. Hello, I'm Seth, and I like to pretend like I'm Rose from the Titanic.
Hi, I'm Jordan apparently, and I also live on my boat, and that's my boyfriend Seth, and this is getting confusing.
Hi, I'm Seth. I live on my boat, Nova Scotia, Armadale Yacht Club. I'm dating Sarah. And Sebastian and Jordan are totally hanging out.
Say Jesus, take me.
And then Chris will be like, I'm Jesus.
Then Chris will take
If you let go of the wheel,
It's
you
on
will
you.
crash.
me. Chris!
Start turning to port. Not that. Okay, no, straighten out, straighten out.
You said it fast, so I started to do
Port,
it fast.
port, and you're going to want to reverse here. Starboard. See, you're.
Oh, I see.
Reverse. Hard reverse. Hard reverse. Nope. Just port, hard over. Port, and straighten out your wheel, straighten out your reverse. Hard reverse. And neutral. Now you're just fighting the guys on the top.
Was it?
How'd you feel about your first dock?
It was scary and stressful, but it was on the bucket list, so I did it, so I'm happy with that.
So it's the end of a relatively long weekend. We're just doing the last parts now. You reckon about there, Chris?
Yep.
About there, yeah. Yeah. Just putting the old anode back on, but the old zinc, but it's honestly, it's in pretty good condition anyway. It's not that worn away. It looks a bit pitted and stuff, but it's fine. So I'm putting that back on, and then just got to do the prop, and then that's everything completed. Then Chris, who's holding the camera, has been helping me the whole freaking time, like an absolute champ. Honestly, I wouldn't have got it done to this level without him. But we're almost there, which means that I'll be able to sail down to Lunenburg and do the job that I've got to do.
The big moment we've all been waiting for the weekend.
The last thing, keyway's going in. Last time I did this, I lost the keyway. The day that I was getting hauled back in again, I'll get put back in the water. So this is when I lose it again. So I was like,
Do you want me
I think it's pretty much there. I think that's good. There you go.
That would suck.
I lost it, like, I mean, when I say I lost it, like, I just couldn't find it, right?
Yeah.
And we were just about to go back in. It was Monday morning, and couldn't find the fucking keyway. Put the prop back on. So I was like, man, I'm looking for it. Can't find it anywhere. And in the end, Mark Gammon gave us a keyway.
That's awesome.
Then when I tied it up, I found it under the cooler.
Oh, Jesus.
And that, as they say, is that. Job, man. You know,
Yeah.
awesome. Back together.
Yeah.
Feel good?
Feels good. So that's this long weekend
Yeah.
wrapped up. Got all the projects we wanted to get done, and can now enjoy the end of the season.
Yeah, finished in the rain. He's filthy because he did most of the work. Going in
Just on
tomorrow.
the bottom. Yeah,
Yeah.
just on the
And
bottom.
you're taking it in
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Yeah, stay tuned for that. That's going to be fun.
Yeah.
miss you guys.
Doing